We are pleased to show you the 2023 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior and excellent off-road capability and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, rear step bumper, emergency braking preparation, hood scoop, stability control, sports suspension, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, fog lights. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.